Welcome to Quick Cool Mocktails, Caribbean style. In today's episode, we'll be exploring unique mocktail recipes by incorporating uniquely Caribbean ingredients with cocktail recipes you already know and love. These are the flavors: Sensational Sorrel Surprise, Frosty Cucumber Lime Quencher, Orange Mango Bliss, Floral Tamarind Shandy, and Watermelon Paloma. Join me on this flavorful trip to discover how to create these one-of-a-kind mocktails at home. Our techniques today include muddling, steeping, blending, and garnishing to perfection. So by following me, you'll add some really cool, new and exciting words to your culinary vocabulary. Welcome to the refreshing world of Frosty Cucumber Lime Quencher. First up, toss those frozen cucumber and ginger slices into a blender. Now grab some fresh mint leaves and give them a good muddle, and into the blender they go. Quick tip, it's best to add solids to the blender first, then liquid, as this results in a more effective end result, especially for us at home that don't have powerful blenders. Pour in lime juice, granulated sugar, and aloe vera juice. Now let the blender work its magic on high speed until it's smooth and sensational. If it's a bit too solid, add a splash more liquid, and if it's a bit too liquidy, just add a few more cubes of ice and sweetener. Grab your fanciest garnishes, cucumber slices, mint sprigs, and a couple of cherries to go on top, and serve immediately. Beautiful, isn't it? Sensational Sorrel Surprise. Now, it's summer, so definitely not sorrel season. Instead, we'll be using these dried petals because they are available all throughout the year. And here's the secret. They taste better like this than the fresh ones because they have less water in it and it's just a lot more potent. I'll link in the bottom of my video where you can buy these. In a large stock pot, combine dried sorrel, water, ginger, cinnamon sticks, and pimento berries. Heat it up until everything starts to boil and then let it simmer, infusing those flavors for about 15 to 20 minutes. While that's simmering, let's craft the ginger and turmeric juice. Blend the ginger, turmeric, sugar, and water until it forms a fine liquid paste. Strain into a separate container and set aside. Back to our sorrel. Once it's dark red, we're going to strain and discard the solids, sweeten with sugar, and let it cool completely. Now we're going to combine the ginger and turmeric juice with our sorrel. Now grab a glass with ice, pour in your beautiful sorrel drink, and then infuse with the ginger turmeric juice. Garnish with some ginger candy and mint leaves for a truly sensational sorrel surprise. I'm Chef Samantha George, a seasoned chef and Jamaican caterer with over 8 years experience in the culinary industry. On my YouTube channel, I aim to simplify cooking, allowing you to focus on creating sensational flavors. If you like this video so far, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and join me on this delicious journey forevermore. Introducing one of my favorite personalities in the world of spice, cardamom. Known as the queen of spices, get it? Cardamom, like I'm such a queen. It brings a unique and captivating aroma to any dish or beverage. This versatile spice is often associated with deep floral notes and a hint of citrusy freshness. This has a distinct flavor and will definitely add depth and a complexity to the Orange Mango Bliss mocktail. Begin by breaking open those cardamom pods, revealing that black gold inside. Discard the shells and grind those seeds into a powder. Into the blender goes mango, orange juice, a splash of Angostura bitters, ground cardamom, and your choice of sweetener. Blend until super smooth. For this cocktail, we'll be garnishing with the orange and mango slices with the skin on, but leave some space on top as we will be floating your favorite sparkling water to complete the effect of a mimosa. That little touch is like leaving a love note to your kids in a lunch pan. It will definitely make their day when they find it. Grab a shaker, fill it with ice, and pour in that mango mixture, about 2/3 of the way. Give it a shake, then pour it into a chilled glass about halfway up. Top it off with sparkling water or your favorite fruity soda like lime, grapefruit, or even peach, and give it a gentle stir. Finish it off with slices of orange and mango. Ah, the perfect mango cardamom mocktail with orange juice. Cheers to your Orange Mango Bliss. One key component of making your mocktails perfectly this summer is having a good blender. I definitely love my Breville Fresh and Furious blender. It's a mid-range blender, perfect for those home cooks who love to whip it up in the kitchen. It has a strong enough motor that can manage your everyday juicing, mixing, chopping, and dicing, but it's not like big and loud and crazy like the professional versions. It has really great settings on there, lovely buttons that you can work with, and it spritz and pulverizes things in mere seconds. I love it, and it doesn't have small tiny blades that gets things stuck into it. It's wide so you can take it out and it's easy to clean. Perfect, perfect, perfect for any home cook. Get one of these. Check the link below. Alongside it, you'll need supporting utensils like these. We have a muddler, a strainer, we have our mortar and pestle right here, and of course your favorite cocktail glasses of different shapes and sizes. I have a curated list and kit it at the link below, so check it if you want to grab some really cool and cute stuff to get your cocktails. We first need to get our tamarind paste. We do this by submerging tamarind into water and then mushing the paste off as it dissolves in the water. At the end of that process, you'll be left with a concentration of tamarind that looks like this. Now, I know it will be practically impossible for most people to get raw tamarind, so check the link in my description to find places where you can order tamarind paste from the supermarket. Begin by dissolving tamarind paste in water, creating a luscious tamarind juice. Pour in the tamarind juice with a touch of rose water and some granulated sugar, and then stir until all the crystals dissolve. Fill a glass jug with ice cubes. Now, gently pour in the non-alcoholic beer, leaving a bit of room at the top. Stir it all together. Prepare your glasses by dipping the rim in some simple syrup or lime juice and then coat it in spiced sugar or tahini for that extra kick. Add ice to a glass, pour in the tamarind rose mocktail, and if you're feeling fancy, garnish with a delicate rose petal. Serve immediately and savor this floral tamarind delight. Watermelon Paloma. Start by squeezing those limes for a zesty juice. Dice up some watermelon, remove the seeds, and toss it into a glass mug with sugar and lime juice, and then muddle away until it transforms into a juicy liquid. For this, we want to muddle our watermelons so that they can savor the refreshing burst of watermelon flavor in every sip. Muddling the watermelon helps to release its natural juices and intensifies its sweetness, creating a vibrant and invigorating base for our watermelon Paloma mocktail. For this, we'll need a muddler, or you can use a flat edge rolling pin or a flat pestle. Fill your glass about 3/4 of the way with ice, and then top it off with your favorite grapefruit soda, and you're ready to make some waves. Garnish with lime wedges and watermelon slices, and sip away on this paradise in every gulp. Cheers to your watermelon Paloma. Now that our mocktails are ready, it's important to showcase their beauty to your family and friends at the poolside or at the backyard barbecue on the lawn. Feast your eyes on these vibrant, colorful drinks bursting with flavor. As you can see, each drink has its own intricate layers and textures, but it's flavor combination that will undoubtedly make your taste buds dance. Be sure to download or print the recipe from my blog, linked in the video description below. Help me grow by sharing this video, y'all, with a friend and giving me a subscribe. In the meantime, cheers to a blissful summer.